yeah, so we'll have you talking about, like the decision of, do I want to continue? Do I want to go a different avenue? I've been putting so much time and energy into being a builder, and now I'm at this place where I'm kind of contemplating possibly doing something completely new,
Yeah.
going back to school and then that.
That's great.
Yeah, but like these shots are so fucking good. And then as we are going, the plan has always been to make it like 80% cinema and 20% reality.
Yeah.
So yeah, this episode's gonna be like a movie, which is gonna be really
That's
fucking
good,
rad.
because that's what you guys, want to be involved in.
Yeah. I was like, I'm so tired of reality shows. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to do cinema. And then, did you get a shot of Tony Danza?
No.
Hold me closer, Tony Danza.
Do you mind bringing it from the bench to there?
Yeah.
Shine the headlights on the highway.
Ready and go for it.
And so for this opener, I was thinking the overall theme is how far are you willing to take your dream? Like you had this dream of being a builder, and how far do we take it? And until the money runs dry, until your body gives out, to the just how long do we do this? I think was kind of like the overall way of embodying the theme of the episode. I would love for Origins to take to the point where we can shoot an episode every month,
Yeah.
and it's fully paid, and we get, I could just focus on that.
Yeah.
Gosh, that'd be amazing.
Because they get better, as you go. I can't imagine what the next one will be like.
Yeah.